In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload text files to Claude AI. Now, this process is quite straightforward and can be really helpful for those looking to analyze text data quickly and efficiently. So let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll want to open up your Claude AI platform. This is where all the magic is going to happen. Once you're on the platform, it's important to note that you can upload up to 5 files at the same time, which is great if you have multiple documents you want to work with simultaneously. To get started with uploading your files, all you need to do is locate the plus button under the chat box. Clicking on this will present you with a couple of options. You're either going to click on the Upload File option or look for the paperclip icon. Both these options will take you to the next step, which is choosing the file you want to upload. When it comes to the types of files Claude AI supports, you'll be glad to know it accepts a range, including PDFs, Word documents, and various text file formats. So you're pretty much covered no matter what file format you're working with. Now let's keep it simple for the purpose of this demonstration. I'm going to upload just a single text file, but remember, as I mentioned earlier, you can upload between 1 and 5 files if needed. After you've selected your file, it'll appear in the chat box. This is where you can start to interact with your uploaded document. In the chat box, you have the opportunity to type in a prompt. For example, you might want to analyze some data within the file. You could simply type out a command like "analyze the data from this file," and Claude AI will take it from there. The platform is designed to efficiently handle requests like this, providing you with quick insights derived from the data in your document. And just like that, you've successfully uploaded a text file to Claude AI. It's a seamless process that opens up new possibilities for analyzing data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so you're always updated with my latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great time exploring what you can do with Claude AI.